The topic is monitoring in Linux. What does monitoring in Linux mean? Monitoring in Linux simply means to check the process information that consumes disk storage. In short, to check the processes that are consuming the CPU memory and disk, to manage the processes and to clear some memory and to have more space for the CPU and its performance optimization. Monitoring simply means to monitor the system, to check if there is certain files, certain tasks that are running that is taking a lot of space, a lot of CPU, a lot of memory, and to manage those by monitoring them. Commands for monitoring are top. This command is used to check the CPU and memory utilized by the process in the real time. We also know that ps-aux also shows us this data. However, the information that ps space aux shows is not real time, whereas top command or that command that is htop shows the real time data that updates real time. And same is for htop. This command is same as top, but it shows that same data with clean UI, and it is better than top to understand CPU and memory utilization, the processes in the real time. vmstat. This command is used for checking the system performance. It is mainly used to check if there is enough memory or not, and if a system is lagging due to memory. This command shows us how much memory is left and how much memory is utilized, so we can delete or add some memory to the system. Free space -m, also free space -h. This command shows us free memory and how much memory that is being used. This command is best for using in scripts or in code, as we can apply grep and certain filters to get the data of the memory. Whereas top command or htop shows us visual or real-time data that is on the visual or the UI side. So to get more static information in the scripts or in the output, we use free space -m and free space -h to get the memory information that can be used in scripts. nproc. This command is used to show the amount of CPUs that are available. In my case, it shows 4 CPUs. df space -h and du space -sh. These both commands are used to show the disk information. It shows the size of the file system, how much memory it is being used, how much memory is available. It shows in the percentage how much memory is being utilized. Mounted on shows the folder exactly where it is present. It is used to show the disk information so we can manage it. Also, we don't use all these commands on itself. We integrate that using Prometheus or Grafana. When integrated, it shows alerts for better monitoring. So that is it for the video today. I hope I made the topic simple and insightful. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.